Mike with Mad by Design here. Today we're going to be doing a quick video. I'm going to be trying to balance a Canon R50 with a Canon EF 16-35 2.8 onto the Hohem MT2. Weight restrictions, it might be there. We're going to see what happens. I'm actually going to use this to film a different video, so this is just a multi-step type deal. So this is just step one, and we're filming today on a Mark II R6, and then we have a B cam as an iPhone 15 Max Pro, as you can see up here, with the Peak Design tripod there. So that's really nice. So I'm getting multiple angles there. I hope you enjoy, and we're gonna get started. This right here is the Canon R50 with an EF 16-35 2.8. As you can see, this is no little lens. Today, we're going to be seeing if this guy can handle it, the Hohem MT2. At that. So sometimes it's a fail, and this is one of them. I will tell you what the Hohem MT2 cannot do, and that is a 16-35 lens. After messing with it in 101 different ways, it's not gonna happen. You need more adjustment here, and I already have it all the way to the back of the base plate, and it's pretty much resting here on the back. Yeah, it's just not gonna work. Now, failure! I do have a smaller 24-100 STM. That has worked, and I have used that, but where's the fun in that? That's an F4, I want an F2.8. Stupid Ford. So it looks like the Ronin is gonna be what I use, and this is gonna be the cell phone guy. It's great for phones, but if you make another one, let me know. You gotta buy it.